Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and studying properly. Today, it's time for our lesson number 2 of English Sunflower Book. Lesson number 2, The Letter. It is a poem, and this poem is written by Margaret G. Rhodes. Margaret G. Rhodes is the poet of the poem The Letter. Poet is a person who writes a poem, and writer is a person who writes a story. Okay? So now, this poem is about a letter, and we all know what is a letter. Have you ever written a letter? Okay. If not, then just try. Okay? A letter is a message which we write on a paper and send to our dear ones. Firstly, I will recite the poem. I'm writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin. Dearest Mummy, did anyone guess? My pen travels slowly all down the sheet because I'm so anxious to keep it all neat. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink. Such a nice blotting paper, the color is pink. I turn the page over and on goes my pen. Till lastly, come kisses, there's just room for 10. The envelope is ready, I put the stamp on and run to the post box, and now it has gone. It's a beautiful poem. In this poem, a little girl is writing a letter, and she's writing a letter for the person she cares for the most. She has written a date very clearly, and she has put up the address also, and she began writing dearest mummy. That means obviously she is writing a letter to her mother. Her pen travels very slowly because she was very careful that she wants to write a letter in a very neat and clean manner, and she doesn't want to blot it. She doesn't want to blot it, and she waiting for the ink to dry up because that is such a blotting paper. And what is the color of the paper? It is pink. She turns the page over and then she started writing on the next page as well, till lastly she put some kisses, and after writing there was only space for 10 kisses. Now the letter is ready. She puts the letter in the envelope. The envelope is ready. She puts up the stamp on, and then she runs to the post box, and now it has gone to her dear mother. Have you enjoyed the poem? Okay. You have to recite the poem very loudly and in a very clear voice, okay, from the scan pages, and just try to write a letter to your mother. I know your mother is with you, but still try to write a letter to your mother and tell her everything which you feel for her. Okay? You will do it? Promise? Okay. Okay, fine. Have a nice day. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.